Hello, I got a lot of messages how to connect remote control to kids' electric cars power wheel, and I will show you. It's easy and you can connect it in 1 minute. You just need to turn on it and hold this button until it starts to blink. It started to blinking and it is searching the controller to connect. Just wait. Oh, it's connected. This is speed. This is the fastest one. Slow, middle, and fast. If you want to stop your kid, press park and it can't go. When you want that kids run it again, you start again P and kids can drive. Okay, next one is the same one. How to connect another type. It's the same procedure. Just turn on and hold the button until it starts to blink. It started to blinking. Searching again. Oh, it's connected. And it's the same one. Backward, forward, speed. Low, middle, high speed. And if you don't want that kids run it, start park and don't work the troll. Parking again, it can go. And the last one, we have Toyota 224 volts. It is another controller, so we need to turn on and to hold this, hold it until it starts to blink. It is blinking and searching again. And when it finds it, it will stop blinking. Okay, go. Oh, it's connected. And you can try. Back, forward. And also speed. Low, middle, fast speed. And parking. Okay, that's all. If you have some questions, write in comments and I will help you.